Hello, Henry speaking.
Hi, how are you?
Hello
Hello.
there. Do
Hi,
speak
how
up
are
a
you?
little bit. I'm quite deaf.
I'm sorry. What about this one? Can you hear me okay?
My fault.
Is this better
I was
now?
holding the phone to my deaf ear. Please, carry on.
Okay. Okay. My name is Martha Said. I am an account manager calling you from Analyst Kingdom. And I'm
Okay,
calling
yes,
because we have this
yes.
client expansion program. It is an opportunity so you can make money online. This is about trading though. Are you familiar with it?
Oh, yes. Okay. Be
Oh,
quiet,
I hear
Elsie.
you.
I'm on the phone. Damn
But
dog.
yeah, you said you are familiar with trading. Are you
Hang
currently
on.
doing it?
I just need to deal
Oh,
with the
sorry.
dog. Sorry about this. Calm down,
Oh,
Elsie.
that's so sweet.
One moment. I just need to let her out of the back door. Just give me a moment.
Okay.
Yeah, come on, out you go. Sorry, she's outside now. Hi, are you there? I can talk now. I was just letting the
Okay.
dog out.
So going back to what
What
you
was
have
it you
said, though,
wanted
you
again?
said you are familiar of trading, right?
Right, I see.
You said you are familiar of trading, right?
Okay, yes.
Yeah. So are you currently doing it?
Okay.
Are you currently
Oh, be
trading,
quiet,
Christopher?
Elsie. I'm on the phone. Bloody dog. It's already chewed my nice slippers this morning. Be quiet. Sorry. Please, go on.
Oh, fine. So are you currently trading?
Here we go. What? One moment. I'm going to have to let her back into the house. She's just going to
Okay.
upset the neighbours that are in the garden. One second. Come in. Come on. Stop mucking around. Come on. Get in here. Come on, Elsie. Good girl. Come on. Just be quiet while I talk to this nice person. Sorry, what was your name again?
My name is Martha Said. I'm calling you from Analyst Kingdom.
All this blasted kerfuffle with the dog. Can you remind me again? Where is it you're calling from?
I'm calling you from Analyst Kingdom. We are an education center. And again, I'm calling because I'm offering you a way for you to earn extra income. However, it's about trading. And you said you are familiar with it. Are you doing it now? Are you currently trading?
Ah, yes. I was down at the local pub the other day with my good friend, a friend of many years, Brian. And funny thing, he was talking about this very thing. He made it all sound like a very good idea. He swears by it. I trust Brian, so as they say, if it's good enough for him.
Wait. Hang on. I don't understand what are you talking about. But is this about trading? Trading in the financial market. Is this what you are talking about?
Right. Elsie.
Hello, Christopher.
Don't be naughty again or I'll put you out in the garden. She's a good girl, really. She just gets a bit excited when I'm on the phone. She wonders what I'm doing. A telephone must be a bit of a difficult concept for a dog, I suppose. Anyway, sorry, what were you saying?
I'm asking you, Christopher, are you currently trading?
Oh, yes, I remember.
Are you trading now?
I think Brian would think this is a great idea. Did I tell you about Brian? He and I met at college.
We are not
We
doing
actually
it
went on to
anyway.
work together at the accountants in town. I don't know if you know it. He's a wonderful friend, and as I said, I trust his judgment on such things.
Why are you talking about Brian?
Well, I am interested, but
You
did
are.
you know the bloody Tories in this country have messed things up so badly? My electric bill has gone up from £100 to £300 a month. I can
I'm
barely
sorry, but
hold
we are
place.
not going
I
anywhere. I need
rattle
to hang
around in
up the
here
call.
since the
Thank
kids
you.
left.
You have a
I
wonderful day.
don't
Bye
really
bye.
need such an old big house. I should sell it really, move to the seaside. I would like that.